A garage door with fallen cables isn't just inconvenient, it poses a serious safety hazard. Are you aware of the risks? Garage door cables are essential for smooth operation, but misaligned tracks can cause them to fall off easily. Over time, worn-out pulleys and rollers degrade, leading the crucial cable to slip off, causing operational chaos. Improper cable tension, whether too loose or overly tight, can lead to damaging consequences for your garage door. Misaligned or damaged tracks can shift the cables out of place, creating a precarious situation. Don't let this happen to you. Dust and debris may obstruct the movement of your garage door cables, causing them to become unseated at crucial moments. Regular inspections and maintenance help catch minor issues before they escalate into severe operational failures. Lubricating your garage door's moving parts reduces friction, enhancing performance and preventing rapid wear and tear. While DIY repairs may be tempting, working with garage door springs is risky and can lead to injuries or further damage. For the residents of Panama City, Florida, don't risk your safety. Reach out to professional garage door repair services today.